baby car.
Huh? It's not a baby car. It's a big car.
A grown-up car.
Look at that. Ooh, that is a white car.
Whoa!
It goes really fast, Dee.
I crashed.
Whoa, yes. I almost crashed too.
Oh,
There's some more trucks over there.
William. Wow.
Ooh,
This car is way cool.
Hey, if you keep falling out, get rid of you out of here.
Sorry, I thought going up because we're bumpy.
I wish I could see the sunset, but I slept.
You sleep a long time.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those buildings.
Yeah. I think they have sparkles in them.
Yes, that's home.
Ooh.
It must be Daddy working.
Hey, Daddy doesn't work here. He works in another building.
Oh, wow, this building's way big.
Yeah, but it's not the building that Daddy works in.
I know. But
I want to know another tallest building
just building.
that has 1,000 rooms.
So Daddy,
When we go to the zoo last summer, we saw it.
yes. But now it's not.
Look at the house.
Wow. I know.
This bridge sure can last a long time.
Yes.
Look, we're down.
We're gonna crash and breathe.
Yeah, silly. I'm not gonna. Whoa!
We almost flew off.
Yes, but we're in the back bedroom.
Yes. A bit. Hey.
Oh, I'm sleepy again.
Why sleepy again?
Hey, silly, we're not sleepy again. It's morning.
Oh, sorry. I started watching Mommy Fold.
Okay,
Okay.
look at the sky.
Look at our wow.
Hey, that car looks like ours.
What is it?
That car looks, that's good car. Looks like my school bus when I get out of school.
Yes. And
Yeah, you didn't know.
how about
Oh,
this?
look at that! Those patterns. It looks like 8 and 4. Look.
Oh, yes. A button. Now this. Oof. Oof.
Hey, you're screaming crazy. You're being crazy.
Sorry.
Look down at this mirror. We can see everything.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Ugh. But how did they make this bed?
I don't know. Hey, this bed is something else.
Daisy, that's a chair.
Yeah, the key. Well, what I remind is making. But it was sofa.
Yeah, cute. I can't stand.
Look at Cindy.
I will hit. Okay, let's wash those cars again.
Hey,
Ouch.
hey, what did this button do?
What?
This
What
button.
That's not a button.
Where? Hey, what did you move?
Move. Where? Ah, that's to decorate the car.
There.
Okay, look. There's a sharp lane over there.
And there is bus. Everything sent me for.
Oh.
Wow.
Look at that other road.
Oh, go away.
Titi, look at the other. The red car. A red car.
I know red car.
Look up there. The red